Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update. This is going to be for Outlook days 1 and 2. I'm going to cram days 1 and 2 into one video because first off, I'm leaving for school at 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and I'm not going to be home until 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and after I get home, I'm going to be a little exhausted to do the Outlook video for day 2, and secondly, day 2 is going to be very short and simple. Day 2 is going to be very short and simple, so, you know. But if there's any, upgrades for day 2, for the afternoon update for day 2, then I'll refer you to HPC Convective Outlooks. Should day 2 have any upgrades, because I won't have time to do the day 2 Outlook in the afternoon. So, anyway, I'm cramming days 1 and 2 into this video, so let's get right to it. We have a slight risk for severe weather today that encompasses parts of northern Florida, southeastern Georgia, parts of South Carolina, and parts of North Carolina. Cities in today's slight include Raleigh, North Carolina, Raleigh, North Carolina, Tallahassee, Florida, Savannah, Georgia, Fayetteville, North Carolina, and Columbia, South Carolina. And we have 2 areas where we have marginals. One marginal covers parts of west central and northeastern Florida, and another marginal today covers a tiny bit of southeastern Alabama, the central part of the Florida Panhandle, central Georgia, central and far southeastern South Carolina, central and far eastern North Carolina, and southeastern Virginia. Cities in today's marginal include Jacksonville, Florida, Charlotte, North Carolina, Virginia Beach, Virginia, Norfolk, Virginia, and Chesapeake, Virginia. Going to today's tornado threat, we have a 5% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses northwestern Florida, parts of southeastern Georgia, and central South Carolina. Cities in today's 5% tornado risk area today include Tallahassee, Florida, Savannah, Georgia, Valdosta, Georgia, Sumter, South Carolina, and Hinesville, Georgia. There is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today. 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that covers extreme southeastern Alabama, the central Florida Panhandle, northern and western Florida, central and far southeastern Georgia, most of South Carolina, the eastern half of North Carolina, and southeastern Virginia. Cities in today's 2% tornado risk area today include Jacksonville, Florida, Charlotte, North Carolina, Virginia Beach, Virginia, Raleigh, North Carolina, and Norfolk, Virginia. Going to today's wind threat, we have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher today that encompasses northwestern Florida, southeastern Georgia, parts of South Carolina, and parts of North Carolina. Cities in today's 15% wind risk area today include Raleigh, North Carolina, Tallahassee, Florida, Savannah, Georgia, Fayetteville, North Carolina, and Columbia, South Carolina. And we have 2 areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher today. One encompasses west central and northeastern Florida, and another 5% wind risk area today covers extreme southeastern Alabama, the central part of the Florida Panhandle, central Georgia, central and coastal South Carolina, central and far eastern North Carolina, and southeastern Virginia. Cities in today's 5% wind risk areas today include Jacksonville, Florida, Charlotte, North Carolina, Virginia Beach, Virginia, Norfolk, Virginia, and Chesapeake, Virginia. Going to today's hail threat. There is no hail threat today. there is no hail threat for today. So, that's good news. So, in summary, scattered storms, some severe, are possible today across parts of northern Florida, southeast Georgia, and the Carolinas. So, that's the day one outlook. Going to the day two outlook. Now you can see like there's really nothing at all. It looks like there's nothing. You might be wondering, Johnny Thunder, EAS and Weather, why are you showing me day two when there's nothing? Well, believe it or not, there is actually something. So it's hard to spot on the map, but that's because that's because it's way down here. Hold on, I need a sip of water. My throat's a little dry. Okay. So, we have a very tiny marginal area for tomorrow. We have a small marginal risk area for severe weather tomorrow. The marginal encompasses extreme south central Florida and the Florida Keys. Cities in tomorrow's marginal include Miami Beach, Kendall, Florida, Miami Beach, Florida, Kendall, Florida, Coral Gables, Florida, South Miami Heights, Florida, and Homestead, Florida. Going to the tornado threat for tomorrow. There is no tornado threat for tomorrow, so that's good news. Going to tomorrow's wind. There is a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher tomorrow. That encompasses far south central Florida and the Florida Keys. Going to tomorrow's hail threat. There is no hail threat either for tomorrow, so that's good news. So, in summary, isolated strong to severe storms may occur over far southern Florida and the Keys on Tuesday afternoon into the overnight hours. So, that's all I got for today, so stay safe in the affected areas both today and tomorrow. And again, I crammed days 1 and 2 into one video because I'm not going to have time later today. But if there's any expansions of tomorrow's marginal, or there's or there's an upgrade or anything, any changes tomorrow, if there's any changes to the Day 2 Outlook, when XPC Effective Outlook does his Day 2 Outlook video, or if he does his video, then I will refer you to him. So, stay safe in the affected areas. Stay safe in the affected areas both today and tomorrow, even in the marginal, because a marginal can still produce big. So, I'll have another update tomorrow. Take care.